Hello everyone, Lucky Arduino here. Today we're going to be talking about user input using an RGB LED. Let's get into it. Alright, so an RGB LED is a special type of LED that has the capability to display red, green, and blue colors, or a combination of the three, which allows you to display any color that you want. So let's take a look at this. This is a common cathode RGB LED, which means that the longest wire is connected to ground, and the other three wires are connected to power. So the left one is red, the middle one is green, and the very right one is blue. And let's put that back in. So the most important thing for the setup is that you have resistors so that the colors don't blow out the LED, and that your colors are connected to a digital port with pulse width modulation symbol next to it, the little squiggly. And this is to make sure that you can have values of 0 to 255 to control specific aspects of your colors instead of just high or low like a regular digital ports. Alright, so on the left here we have a prompt that says choose a number from 1 to 9. So let's choose 1. Let's enter. Alright, you chose 1, so it displays purple. Let's pick 2 this time. So we chose 2, that's orange. Let's do 3, and that's aqua, blue. 4, we have green. 5, we have deep blue, dark blue. 6 is pink. 7 is yellow. 8 is red, and 9 is white. And let's say we pick a number that's not in this range. Let's do 13. Oops, please choose a number from 1 to 9, and the LED turns off. Alright, so here let's run through a little bit of the code for this project. So first we have the string color, which we'll use a little bit later. Then we have the 3 messages that are displayed on the serial monitor. Then you have 3 different colors and their ports. You start the serial monitor, you set all 3 ports to output. Then you print the first message, which is choose a number from 1 to 9. Then you wait for input. So now this while loop is very important because this tells you to wait for an input. So while serial.available equals 0. So that means while nothing is in there, do nothing, right? And then if something is sent, then you get out of the while loop and you come to the next line, which is color. And then color equals serial.read string. So what this means is that it'll read the value that you sent to the serial monitor and it will store it in the variable color. Then it'll print message 2 and it'll say color. So you chose the number 1, which represents a color, which we'll see right here. So if color equals 1 \n, so \n is the character for enter, and you need this character in your string because technically enter is also a character when you enter your string in the serial monitor, and so without \n this won't work. So if color equals 1 enter, then it will analog write the port to a specific value, right? And this is why the pulse width modulation port is super important, the one with the squiggly, because it allows you to choose values from 0 to 255. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We're setting the red port to a specific value in between 0 and 255 so that it can display a lower value of red than, let's say, blue, which is 130. And so this one is purple. And next, if color is 2, then it's orange, and here are the values for that. Then let's scroll down, we have 3, which is aqua. We have red, green, and blue right here with their values. Then we have 4, which is green. We only set green high. Then we have 5, which is blue. We only set blue high. Then we have 6, which is pink. We set red high and blue a little bit lower than that. Then we have 7, which is red is super high and green is in the middle, and blue is just a little bit of blue so that it turns yellow instead of bright green. Then we have 8, which is red, only red is high. And then 9, white, which means that all 3 colors are high at 255. And then the last statement, which is an else, we have the message 3, which is please choose a number from 1 to 9 if you type in something that's not 1 to 9. And then it'll turn all 3 low. And so technically a real RGB LED, like one that can be represented on Google or digitally, you'll find that all 3 values at 0 means black. But obviously that's really hard to represent on an LED, which displays light outwards, and since black is like the absence of light, you can say that it's basically just turning off the LED, and that's black, right? And so that's how the RGB LED in Arduino chooses to represent all 3 values as low, as the LED just turns off. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website, which will be displayed on your screen right now, for useful information about Arduino. And don't forget to check out the Arduino shorts that I've made, especially about the RGB LED, as it provides a more in-depth explanation than what was in this video. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.